Ever find yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to shake off the stress of the day? You're not alone. But what if I told you that with just a few simple changes to your evening routine, you could transform your nights into a sanctuary of peace and relaxation? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stress-free evening routine that not only calms your mind but also prepares your body for the best sleep of your life. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to end your day on a high note and wake up feeling completely rejuvenated. Let's start the evening by brewing a warm cup of herbal tea. Whether you choose calming chamomile or soothing lavender, this simple ritual is like a gentle nudge to your body, signaling that it's time to start unwinding. Imagine the warmth of the tea, the subtle aroma filling the air. It's the perfect way to transition from a busy day to a peaceful night. It's time to give your mind a break. Turn off your phone, computer, and any other screens that emit blue light, which can disrupt your body's natural sleep cycle. Instead of scrolling through social media or checking emails, use this time to reconnect with yourself. Grab a journal and jot down your thoughts, dive into a good book, or simply sit quietly and reflect on your day. This small shift can make a big difference in how well you sleep tonight. Now, let's release the tension that's built up in your body throughout the day with some gentle stretching or yoga. Focus on slow, mindful movements and deep, calming breaths. As you stretch, feel the stress melt away, and notice how each breath soothes your nervous system. This simple practice not only prepares your body for sleep, but also brings a sense of peace and balance to your evening. Step into a warm bath or shower and let the water wash away the tension of the day. Feel your muscles relax as the warmth surrounds you, and allow your mind to drift into a state of calm. Enhance the experience with Epsom salts or a few drops of lavender essential oil for that extra touch of tranquility. This is your moment. Let the stress melt away, and prepare yourself for a restful night ahead. If you haven't already had dinner, now's the perfect time to enjoy a light, nourishing meal or snack. Choose something gentle on your stomach, like a small bowl of oatmeal, creamy yogurt, or a handful of nuts. These options provide just enough sustenance without overwhelming your digestive system. Remember, avoiding heavy or spicy foods at this hour is key to ensuring your body can easily transition into a peaceful night's sleep. Now, take the next half hour to immerse yourself in a good book or let soft, soothing music fill the room. Choose something that truly relaxes you, whether it's the gentle rhythm of a favorite playlist or the comforting words of a beloved story. Let this be your time to escape the day's events and fully unwind, allowing your mind to drift into a peaceful state. Set the stage for a restful night by creating a serene sleep environment. Dim the lights to create a calming atmosphere, adjust the room temperature to your comfort, and infuse the air with soothing scents like lavender or chamomile. This attention to detail helps signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for a night of deep, rejuvenating sleep.